Hey everyone, welcome to Pangea Cuisine, where we cook for the love of it and for the love of you. This is your host, Prince Joseph, and today we're going to be making meatballs and fusilli. So now that we're here, we have our list of ingredients here. So all I'm going to introduce right now is the fusilli. It's just here, okay? And then we're making the meatballs from this. We have our minced meat here. What we're going to do now is just add in the other ingredients. So with this, we'll add some chili flakes. We have some basil here. I'll just add in a bit of basil. Let's add in a bit of peppercorn as well. Let's grind in. And Chefeezo spice. We'll add that. And let's do a bit of salt as well. And let's start to mix everything together. Now we'll add in breadcrumbs. Good. So let's add in our whole milk, to help soften up the breadcrumbs. It smells so good. I'll have it to marinate in the refrigerator for maybe just 10 to 15 minutes, and we'll take them out, mold them, and fry these bad boys. So now these bad boys are cooked. It looks delicious. Now our second set of meatballs, also fried nicely. But there we go. You look delicious, delicious, delicious. We have a fusilli pasta here, and I'll add in some salt. Sprinkle some olive oil, and let's cover it and wait for it to boil. I'm gonna add in flour. Our next move is to add in butter. let's add in milk. And then we add in our beef broth and gravy. Yeah, now this looks delicious. Now add in a bit of salt here. And then let's add in some Chefeezo. You can't go wrong with some Chefeezo. Chefeezo spice. So now what I'll do is I'll transfer in our meatballs. Our pasta is cooked. Wow, can you see that? Check out our meatballs. Oh, delicious, delicious, delicious. Oh wow, this looks incredible. So anyway, now that this meal is cooked, we just have to go and plate this. So now we'll garnish it with some pepper flakes. There we are. Look how good this is. All we have to do is add a touch of parsley. So now our fusilli with meatballs is ready. This is looking fantastic, it's looking beautiful, and it tastes great. So anyway, we're on Pangaea Cuisine, where we cook for the love of it and also for the love of you. This is your host, Prince Joseph. Thank you once again for being with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed, I love you, and peace. See you next time. Bye.